Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sunny Punjabi and I am a real estate consultant in Andheri West. As you saw that we started our journey from Warsaw metro station. Yes, we are going to witness today a majestic high rise in Warsaw, Andheri West. So we are going to witness today and we are seeing today apartments of 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK. I will reveal the square feet and carpets later on. It's spread across 1.65 acres with an 21-story panoramic city skyline and horizon sea view. This tower is ground plus 21 story. So all the amenities, it has all the modern amenities spread on the ground floor. Amenities like state-of-art gym, yoga pavilion, spacious banquet, indoor club area, old citizen area, children playground, cycling track, multi-purpose court, party lawn and themed garden. So this is the lobby, grand lobby. There are total 2 towers, tower A, tower B. So we are in tower B and this is the actual lobby. It will be more beautified as it is still under renovation. Now let's go on upper floors. So 2 BHKs this side, servant toilet on each floor of the staircase side. This side 2 3 BHKs and this side 2 2.5 BHKs. So now let's witness a 2.5 BHK 782 square feet RERA carpet. So this is a sample show flat of a 2.5 BHK 782 square feet RERA carpet. So the living room is rectangular in shape and the builder is providing with the vitrified floorings. All the furnitures and fixtures will be removed, but you can witness that how your furnitures and fixtures can be placed. On the left hand side is the common washroom area. All the fittings will come. So on my right hand side is the half room, the study room, the work area. On the left hand side is the common bedroom, straight is the master bedroom and right is the kitchen. So this is the half room where you can use it as a kids area, your work area, your study room, anything. And this side is the kitchen area. It's a well spacious kitchen area. Your 2-door refrigerator, your washing machine, all can be equipped. All your equipments like microwave, everything can be fit in. And to believe it, we have a beautiful sea view from the kitchen area. What a lovely view. Hope you will definitely enjoy cooking in this kitchen. Now let's move toward the common bedroom. So common bedroom, you can see your double beds and wardrobes can be easily placed, and once more there is a sea gazing view from this apartment. From this bedroom too. So all the rooms of the 2.5 BHKs, when you are slightly on the upper floor, will definitely cover sea views from the apartments. So this is the master bedroom with attached washroom. I must definitely raise my voice. Wow. This is a sea view apartment 2.5 BHK with the price only 2.75 CR. That too all inclusive. The bathrooms will be fitted with all the premium sanitary wares. Just come, just grab it. This is an opportunity in Mumbai at the price of 2.75 CR, all inclusive, a 2.5 BHK sea view apartments. Now let's go and have a view for the 3 BHK apartment, 1000 square feet to 1044 square feet carpet, RERA carpet. that to sea view. Let's begin. Here we are witnessing two 3 BHKs on the each side. You have an option to break this wall, take these two flats, make a 3 BHK and 3 BHK ka jodi also. Now let's see a 3 BHK flat. It's a mirror image. The second flat is also a mirror image, so you can assume that how a 3 BHK jodi can be made. So when you enter, there is a kitchen area on this side. It's a similar platform, parallel side platform developer is giving in all the flats like 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK. You can beautify it with your beautiful modular kitchens. You can fit your double door refrigerators and washing machine and your all equipments in this kitchen. The kitchen size is very comfortable. To know the actual square feet, you definitely have to come and view the apartment. Now this is an L-shaped living room where you're dining and the sofa and you can see how it's arranged. It has a balcony. I'm going there. So this is an L-shaped living room with premium vitrified flooring developers providing. All the three rooms are on that side. So now let's go towards the balcony. And you can definitely beautify the balcony. I have seen many flats which people have made. How beautiful greenery, you can put your coffee table and everything. From this balcony you have a Warsaw Mud Highland view. There is, you can see that is Mud Highland Regia Exotica, that side, and you can also get sea view from this side. This camera is not doing the justice what I am trying to show you. When you come here, you witness yourself. It makes a lot of difference. So now let's go towards the other rooms. Kitchen area to we have seen. Now let's go to other rooms. There are 3 rooms plus 3 toilets, 3 washrooms are there. So on the left hand side is the common washroom. All the premium sanitary ware fittings will come. This is the one common bedroom without any attached washroom. And from here also you will get sea view. As you can see, I will again tell you that camera is not doing justice. And this is the second master bedroom. Again sea view from the living room, sea view from the bedrooms. This is the washroom area. All the sanitary ware fittings, flooring, tiling, all will be done. And this is the main master bedroom with attached washroom. Again in this washroom some work is pending. Flooring and tiling work has been done, but sanitary wares has to be fitted. So all the premium fittings will come, you have to be rest assured. And as I said, each and every rooms have a sea view. Now let's discuss the pricing. This 3 BHK is 1044 square feet RERA carpet with a balcony, and it is priced 3 crore 85 lakhs all inclusive. And the 3 BHKs on the lower floor 1000 square feet carpet are priced at 3 crore 49 lakhs all inclusive. And now let's proceed to view a 2 BHK apartment. 732 square feet carpet, 782 square feet carpet, RERA carpet. Now we are going to see a 782 square feet 2 BHK with balcony, L-shaped living room. 782 square feet. If you have a 2.5 BHK was also 782 square feet. This 2 BHK is also 782 square feet with all the premium vitrified flooring developer is given. With balcony you can beautify it as you wish. It is mangroves view, full Mud Highland view. If you have witnessed this building, this tower is on all the side. It has beauty to lush greenery, beauty for the city, and beauty for the sea. So now let's go and see both the bedrooms, both the washrooms and the kitchen area. So this is a common bathroom. it is yet to be beautified. And this is the kitchen area. The kitchen area is very big in size. Both the side granite platform, and the view you enjoy from here is a Mud Island. That is Raheja Exotica, Mud Island, from Versova to Mud Island. Your washing machine and your fridge can easily accommodate. This is the common bedroom. It also shares the same view as your living room was having. And this is your master bedroom with attached washroom. They have still to make with all the imported sanitary wares. Let's see the view from here. The view from here is also same as Mud Island view. Now let's discuss the pricing. 2 BHK 782 square feet RERA carpet shares the same rate as 2.5 BHK 782 square feet carpet, 2 crore 75 lakhs all inclusive. Similar flats on the lower floor without balcony 2 BHK 735 square feet are priced at 2 crore 49 lakhs all inclusive. Do contact for bookings and do subscribe.